Good morning to all. My name is Dr. Muniratnama LM, Assistant Professor, Sri Kadavara Varadarajam Shetty, Government First Grade College, Koteshwara Kundapura, Udupi District. Today I am going to explain one of the physics elective paper, that is electrical appliance, that is third semester. The main learning objective of this study is to differentiate between cells in series, parallel and mixed group of cells, and also the effective internal resistance between the cells. First one is cells in series. We know that when a number of cells are connected in such a way that negative of one cell is connected to positive of the other, and free positive of the first cell and the negative of the last cell taken as the two terminals of the combination. The figure is given below. See, this is the figure of cells in series. That is, the net electromagnetic force is the arithmetic sum of the individual electromagnetic force. An effective internal resistance is also the sum of the individual internal resistance. If M is the similar cells of each EMF and internal resistance R, their net EMF equals M into E and internal resistance is M into R. And this combination is connected to an external resistance R. Then the circuit is I equals total EMF divided by total resistance, that is I equals M into E divided by R plus MR. See, this is related to cells in series. Next one is cells in parallel. Here two or more cells are connected in such a way that positive are connected to one point and all the negatives are connected to another point. Then the cells are said to be in parallel. So this is the diagram of cells in parallel. I, R and cells are connected in parallel. If n similar cells of EMF are also connected in parallel to the net EMF is equal to E, the EMF of one cell and effective internal resistance are given by this expression I equals E divided by R plus capital R plus small r into E, where capital R is the external resistance and small r is the internal resistance. Last one is mixed group of cells. A combining n number of cells, that is n branches each with m similar cells in series connected in parallel to obtain the maximum output, that is current. I equals M in E divided by NR plus MR. So this is the information related to cells in series, parallel and mixed group of cells. And finally the conclusion part is we would develop the combination of cells in series, parallel and mixed group of cells with effective internal resistance. Thank you.